Hey folks, 828 Fine Adventure here. I get to drive a 2021 Toyota Corolla for the day, and I was pretty impressed by it. Maybe you will be too, so check it out. Recently, I got a loaner from the local Toyota dealer while my other vehicle was in the shop. It was a 2021 Toyota Corolla SE. I got to drive it on back roads, highway, took it to the store. I had it for half a day, and I was so impressed by this car, I wanted to do a short video. Now also over the last year, I got to drive a base Toyota Corolla L. Now, it did not have the interior features that I like. It did not have the performance. It did not have the ride quality. It was quite noisy, and I would probably just spend a few $1,000s just to get the SE. And I will tell you why. The SE is a much more refined vehicle than the base version of the Corolla. It is a noticeable difference, and I definitely, when you go to the dealership, drive both of them and you will see what I'm talking about. The SE does come with a larger wheel. It comes with an 18-inch wheel, but the suspension feels very different from the base version. This one, I mean, not only, of course, these wheels are going to make it handle a little better, but I didn't notice with the low-profile tire that the ride quality was different than the base. So I would definitely go with these 18-inch wheels that come with it. It's very nice. You know, and then it has some added things like the grille looks a little more sporty and has a little tail on the back. The interior is a better material and has nice like stitching to match the sportiness. The dash is padded in places the base model is not. That goes for the doors as well, and the steering wheel. Everything about this is value. If you get the SE, it's just so much better value and more for your money, and totally worth it. It also comes with a more powerful engine, which I could tell a difference right away. I felt safer in it, especially getting out of an intersection or pulling out of a shopping center. I felt much safer because the performance was there. Just that extra like 30, 35 horsepower, I think it has, made such a big deal. And again, the interior is really, really nice. They've done a great job on the SE. The head unit for the stereo is very easy to use and push button. It has the TSS safety stuff. This vehicle even has 10 airbags, which is amazing. Again, the interior is great. Now, it is a small back seat. I'm really tall. I would have a real problem sitting in the back on a long trip. Plenty of room in the front seat, plenty of adjustability in these seats for a passenger. Now again, I was driving by myself. The performance was great. Of course, you add passengers, it's gonna take a little of that away, but could you just imagine if you were in the base version of this car? One thing I also liked about this car is it had a spare tire. A lot of cars these days don't come with it. It had a jack and some tools in a very roomy trunk. Again, this car was a loaner for the day. I don't own this car, but I was just so amazed at it. Lots of storage in it, which is typical of Toyotas. Unless you get the Tundra, there is no storage except for a giant cooler size console box. It has a sporty exhaust on the back, a dual tip, but it's not a loud exhaust or anything like that. It's more for looks. But this vehicle looks good. It gets great gas mileage, plenty of power, and I really highly recommend it. I mean, if you just need a little extra car to get around town, or if you need something, maybe you've got a college student, or maybe this is your first car, or maybe you just like the looks of it. This is a great car to own, and you can't go wrong with it. And I think they might even offer an all-wheel drive version soon. So, anyways, go give it a test drive. I liked it. So, that's my 2 cents. I'm not trying to sell you a car, I'm just impressed by it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that short video on the 2021 Toyota Corolla. It was fun to drive. I think it'd be a great car for anybody. They would really be happy with the performance, and the fit and finish was really nice for the price. It's like $25,000 or less. So check it out if you're interested in looking for a new car. I really liked it. So anyways, I'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Please hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you next time.